In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix iPhone not showing in my computer. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very easy to go ahead and do this. Now, let's say whatever iPhone you have isn't being shown on your computer and you want to do some sort of data transfer or anything like that. The first thing you want to do is on your iPhone, go over to the settings application, then scroll down and go to general. And then what you want to do, scroll down again until you find transfer or reset iPhone. You're going to see reset. And what you want to do is like reset location and privacy. Then what you want to do is on your PC, reconnect your phone. Now it's recommended you use a USB-C cable, even if it's like a USB-C to lightning bolt, if your phone, supports lightning bolt. Whenever you connect it, it's going to say allow this device to access photos and videos on your iPhone. So then, just go ahead and give it access. And then what we want to do is go over to the File Explorer in your on your PC. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to it right now, and then it's going to look something like this. You should see Apple iPhone as one of the options right here. Go ahead and click on it. Then it shows your internal storage, and then you can go within that, and it's going to show all your different files you have and everything like that. And yeah, it's literally as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.